Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Andis Master 15-watt adjustable blade hair clipper, silver, 01557, and closes at 3x0. Blade moves slower to allow for easier blends. Notches provide guide for blending. You may want to read it thoroughly before you buy, but hey, the discount was substantial off of the MSRP. The blades move extremely fast, 14,000 cutting strokes per minute, so it only takes 1 or 2 passes to get a perfectly smooth cut. Bottom line, he is very happy with the cut, and there was not much yelling at all during the process. As you know, some yelling with teenagers should be expected. They definitely seem durable, and the sleek design is not an eyesore at all. There is a learning curve to it though, so be patient for a little while, and if you need some guidance, there are plenty of videos on YouTube to show you the way. Great quality product, very accurate description as far as being slightly heavy and getting warm, but nothing that disappoints. The item was returned by Andis approximately 4 weeks later, and ran appropriately for about 3 months, and the vibration came back. Item is absolutely an amazing product to do any type of haircuts, shape-ups, and much more. Tried it the second time, and it's making a lot of noise, and not cutting properly. It's worth it to invest in some clipper cooling spray, and some gloves for the clippers. Another note is the arm to expand and retract the guard does not stay put without tape. They get a little warm after running for about 45 minutes, but this is a minor price to pay for how powerful and reliable they are. These clippers are also heavier than any you've likely had before, so get ready for a wrist workout. Cons: little heavy, vibrate, might hurt your hand. Pros: well built, works great, comes with no attachments as stated. Every cut is a concentrated and deliberate effort which led to a satisfying, money-saving, self-provided haircut. The Master cuts with precision and gives you the cleanest job of any other clipper. Don't forget to turn screw counterclockwise on right size of clipper if loud vibration. They were a huge hit. He wanted a good pair of clippers, and he was ecstatic when he reaped them. Overall a good buy if you want to invest in a quality set of clippers. Besides that, these are top-of-the-line clippers that are made to do any haircut for any length, or texture, or hair. If it didn't vibrate as hard in the hand, get hot as fast, and made the clipper a little lighter in weight, it would be better. Worth the buy though. It was already too late to return, and would cost me a great deal of cash. It's really good clipper. The only problem is the noise, and the idea of dealing with it. Packaging appeared to be resealed, box was beat up, and clippers had been bounced around in cheap packaging. Recommended clipper for all type of cuts, and hair, and the blade slice through like butter. The side lever really helps with fading hair, and getting that perfect length you want. Side lever also stays in place, and doesn't move at all when pressure is applied when cutting hair. This clipper has a motor so powerful that won't even budge at any hair length. The clipper body itself also gets hot, but it's not a burn your hands hot. First bought the Fatmster, but discovered the curved blade does not accept guard combs, so returned it for this one. If you cut your own hair, or if you're a professional barber, you have to put these in your tool belt. A hard plastic would make a better case than stainless, and it would be a little easier to grip. The clipper guards are not included, but those can easily be ordered at a low cost. They only get warm, but not hot. Unless of course you leave them on non-stop for 4,560 minutes. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.